Alright, now we're trying to tie-dye again with purple and pink. We had colors on both sides and we did a pattern. Then we let it dry in a bag. This one came out really nice. We even put my logo on it. Good games! First you roll the dice. Then you have to answer a true or false question to move on. The first one to make it to the end wins a pile of cash. The questions are pretty tough, as you can see. There's even some trick questions like dogs sweat by panting. That's false. I did not know a cockroach can live 9 days without his head.
5. The song The 12 Days of Christmas was originally a way the persecuted English Catholics to pass on the basics of their faith in the form of a coded song.
I don't know what you just said, but true.
That is false.
Dang.
I knew that was false. 1.
It will take 10 million years for the footprints of the Apollo astronauts to disappear from the surface of the moon.
That's false.
That is true.
That makes no sense. That makes no sense.
The goldfish is the only creature known to be able to see both infrared and ultraviolet light.
True. We just learned about that.
That's true.
For it all.
Make it.
This is for it all. Light thing first.
True or false? Ostriches urinate on their legs to keep cool.
That's true.
That is true.
I won! It's joke time! Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Hatch.
Hachu.
Bless you. Let's be active! I love bowling, even though I use the bumpers. I'm not that bad. I knocked down a lot of pins. Now it's on to my favorite thing, scootering. I like to zoom down the driveway. You know I can't forget about swimming. This is one of my favorite things to do. Go outside and be free!